Okay, you run with her.
Ruby, stay. I want her to come.
Okay, well,
No.
go down to the end.
Ruby, go. Jump. 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 Ruby, jump.
Step back, Lauren, you're in her way. Woohoo!
Stay,
Okay, Ruby, come back. Jump, 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 jump. Sit. Good girl. Say hi to your mommy. Say hi, Colleen. Whoopsie. That's okay. Come here and say hi to Colleen, Ruby.
It's okay, Rose.
Come here, Ruby Booby. Sit. There's a good girl.
May taking a movie.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you want to say anything to Colleen, to Ruby's mommy?
No.
No. Lauren, do you want to say anything?
Dad is great at jumping.
She is great at jumping. What else do you think about Ruby?
She's so sweet, but she's naughty.
Are you happy she's in our family?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am. And she eats her toys.
Yeah, she does.
And
So
her
you
stuffies.
have to pick them up, don't
She
you?
eats everything.
I know.
Can I have a treat for her?
But do you still love her?
Mommy, I want a treat for her.
Yes. Okay.